In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Shotcut. Keeping Shotcut up to date is the easiest way to get new features, performance improvements, and important bug fixes. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Shotcut. At the top of the window, look for the menu bar, click Help, and then choose Upgrade. This option is built right into Shotcut, so you don't need to search the web or guess your version number. As soon as you click Upgrade, Shotcut may ask whether you want it to automatically check for updates in the future. Pick the option that suits you. Choose Yes if you want Shotcut to notify you whenever a new version is available, which is handy if you prefer staying current without having to remember to check. Choose No if you'd rather check manually from time to time. You can change this preference later if your needs change. After you make your choice, look toward the bottom of the window that appears. Shotcut will show you your current status. If you're already on the latest version, it will clearly let you know and there's nothing else you need to do today. You can close the window and keep editing. If there's an update available, you'll see the new version listed there. Simply click the version or link that appears. Shotcut will guide you to download the new version and start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the install. Depending on your system, you might be asked for permission to make changes. This is normal for software updates. When the installer finishes, reopen Shotcut and you'll be running the latest version. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. It's a good idea to save and close any open projects before updating just to avoid interrupting your work. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the download. And when in doubt, stick to the update prompts that Shotcut provides, so you're always getting the official release. That's all there is to it. Click Help, choose Upgrade, decide whether to enable automatic checks, review the status, and if an update is available, download and install it. You're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing with the latest version of Shotcut.